So for the practice problems, I want you to pause the video, attempt these yourself before you watch me do them. This is to make sure that you're comfortable with understanding the concept before you do your homework. So, or even after you've done attempted your homework, this is still a support piece. So go through, attempt these yourself, and then come back to see how you did. All right, so number one is 4x minus 2y is equal to 8. To find the x-intercept, we let y equal 0. And we're left with 4x is equal to 8. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. Divide both sides by 4. X is equal to 2. That's our first one. Our y-intercept is where we let x equal 0. It's gone. Negative 2y equal 8. Divide both sides by negative 2. Y is equal to negative 4. Okay, then we want to plot those points to 0, 0, negative 4. Draw our line. Arrows and label. All right, for the second one, again, pause the video if you haven't attempted it. To find your x-intercept, you let y equal 0. All right, remember to get rid of the fraction whenever you're dealing with an equation. You can multiply every term by that number, by the denominator. Just go 2 times negative 1/2 x plus 2 times 3. 2 times 0 is 0. These cancel out. You're left with negative 1x plus 6. Now we're solving for x. I'm going to add x to both sides. X equals 6. To find our y-intercept, we let x equals 0, not 6. So y equals negative 1/2 times 0 plus 3. Y equals, this is gone, 3. All right, let's plot those points. So 6, 0, and 0, 3. And then label it. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3. That's it for the practice problems. I'll see you in the next video.